सर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का डेफिनेशन होगा
नहीं हुआ
ऑर्डर
So differential equation means that an equation in which the derivative term of dependent equation is involved, that equation is known as differential equation. There must be a derivative term in that equation, or otherwise that equation will not be a differential equation. Okay, like dy upon dx plus 2x is equals to 3. This is the differential equation because in this equation here dependent variable is y or independent variable is x. Okay, so in this equation you are clearly see that the derivative term of dependent variable with respect to independent variable is involved in this equation. That implies this equation is known as differential equation. Okay?
सर आई हैव अ डाउट
Yeah.
सर कैन डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल बी मोर देन वन
Dependent variable?
कैन नंबर ऑफ डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल्स बी मोर देन वन
No. Dependent or independent?
डिपेंडेंट
Yeah, it can be more than one. But independent variable cannot be more than one. If there are two independent variables or three independent variables, then that differential equation will lie in the category of partial differential equation,
ओके
which we are not going to study in this class. Okay? So now let's
Sir.
introduce the
dy by dx लिखिए
dy by
dx plus
plus
dz by dx
dz
z by dx
by
dx plus 5 equals to 0
plus 5 is equals to
0 ये कौन सा डिफरेंशियल पार्शियल होगा कि
it is
ordinary
a
होगा
simple differential equation.
सिंपल क्या होता है
ऑर्डिनरी
Differential equation
Okay.
in which there is only one independent
तो
variable.
टू डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल
Yeah,
सिस्टम थोड़ी हो जाएगी तो पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का डेफिनेशन क्या है
there should be two independent variable.
Okay.
Here is one, then it will lie in ordinary differential equation. So now let's talk about order and differential order and degree. Order and पूछो अगर doubt clear है.
सेम है और हाँ
So what is the order of the differential equation? The highest term derivative present in the differential equation is known as the order of the differential equation. So we have to see that. Let's take an example of this equation. So what is the highest term derivative in this equation, which is 1? Means 1 means the dependent variable is maximally differentiated with respect to independent variable at once. Okay? So that means the order of this differential equation is 1. And now we have to find the degree of this differential equation. What is the degree of differential equation? Can I have write the definition of this? That will be very lengthy. Okay? So please
नो नो डेफिनेशन
understand what I am saying. So the degree of the differential equation is that the highest power of the derivative term involved in this differential equation is known as the degree of this differential equation. But there are some conditions on degree of differential equation. First of all, you have to check these conditions. Then after that, you have to say that the degree of this differential equation is that or that. Okay. So what are those conditions? So the conditions are the derivative terms should be free from radical terms, sine terms, trigonometric terms in general you can say that, or inverse trigonometric functions, or that should be free from exponential functions, logarithmic functions. Okay. But radicals means this type of sines, or you can say that unity
क्या
dy by dx. It is similar like dy upon dx 1 by. Okay. So these are type of radical functions. Okay. So what is the degree of this differential equation? Is 1. Let's suppose take an example. Okay, now we have to find the degree of this differential equation. So as you can see that first of all we have to find the highest derivative term in this equation. So this is 2 times derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent, and this is 3 times derivative. So the highest order term is 3 times. So the order of this differential equation is 3. Now we have to find the degree of this differential equation. That's why I am taking this. So here is 3, which is greater than 2. Okay, but it is not the degree of this differential equation, because I have mentioned that in the definition of the degree, the power of the highest derivative term is known as degree. It is not related to the order of highest number present in the degree. So first we have to just focus on the highest derivative term. Okay, so the degree of here is 2. That implies degree of this differential equation is 2. Okay.